Good morning, everybody, and happy Wellness Wednesday. Today we are back in the kitchen whipping up some chocolate chip cookie dough hummus. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. So I used honey roast crunchy peanut butter because I like it better, but any peanut butter will do. Then you'll need syrup, cannelli beans, and some kind of chocolate chips. I use milk chocolate since I like that better, but dark chocolate will be fine too. Next, we'll need to measure out our ingredients. We'll need 1 can or 15 ounces of cannellini beans, 1/4 cup of peanut butter, 1/3 cup of maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. Add all of your ingredients to your food processor and pair them with some apples and serve. It is now time to enjoy. Overall, y'all, this is a nutrient-packed snack that can be served anywhere. It can be served at work, at home, at the beach, at the lake. It doesn't really matter. This can be taken anywhere. All in all, this took me about 8 minutes to make, and I promise you, it was fantastic. Try it out and let me know for yourself.